My name is Jörg Buchberger. I'm in charge of product management aviation group at Sennheiser. I would like to introduce our new aviation headset today. One is HMEC 26-T. T stands for talk through, and it comes as a second model, HMEC 26. And both models does have our newest ANR technology. We call it Noise Guard. So the most common jack or connector types in the aviation market is the double jack connector. But in different aircraft we might have different configurations. So another very important connector is the XLR5. Then the next one is Riedel. And we have Nutricon. So in total we do offer 13 different cable models. When you open the case, the zipper is here. The headset itself is in the case, and when you open it first time you will find the cable clip, and you find a brochure which describes all the features, the accessory parts that are available. This headset comes with a TSO approval. You find the documents, so you see it is approved. The serial number is mentioned here and the kind of approval we have from Europe and from the American agency. Now to the question, what really is new with the HMEC 26? So we always heard from the market that pilots fly sometimes in an aircraft that has double jacks, like this headset, but it might also have another connector like XLR5. So what to do in that case? And the easiest way is change the cable. So we designed the cable as a modular cable. You see it here right now. We just have 2 screws, so you need a standard screwdriver. Loose these 2 screws. So you see it's quite easy to remove the cable, and let's say we have a new cable with a different connector. I use the same one here, but you can imagine this connector is always the same. Attach it again to the headset. Use the screwdriver and fix the screws. You know, from bigger headsets, let's say circumaural headsets, they have contact pressures up to 10 Newton. And this one has just 3.6 Newton. So you can imagine it has a big influence on the pressure you feel. The next point we could improve was, use a different material. So this leatherette material is very soft, and the inner foam as well. With most of the headsets you get just a wide headband, so you have pressure on one point of your head. With these 2-piece headband, you will never feel any pressure point because the pressure is now on 2 different points. And you see, in addition, we gave the headband here some very soft headband paddings as well. The 26 is equipped with a nice feature which is very useful for commercial pilots while they are talking to the flight crew, for instance. So they wear the headset and don't want to remove the complete set when they are talking to the flight attendant. So just swivel away this ear cup. You still have the microphone in use, can listen to ATC, see what is going on, and can talk to the flight attendant as well. A next very useful, interesting feature for the communication is the gain adjustment, or let's say the sensitivity adjustment of the microphone. You see here is a hole at the microphone, the attachment of the boom. And you can use a very small screwdriver and can adjust the gain adjustment to a higher or to a lower level whenever you need to change this. So now we come to the point how to wear this headset. It is adjustable on both sides. Of course, you open the headset, the headband will be opened automatically. The boom is adjustable, so you can use either on the right side or on the left side. So the important button for activating ANR, or as we call it, noise guard, is here, right here. Just bring it in that position. You see the LED indicator shows ANR is working right now. You have volume control for both channels, right and left, independently. And here's a next switch. It is for mono or stereo. It always depends on the intercom on the aircraft. You have two sockets right here. These are inputs for audio in, so you can connect your aviation headset to every audio device. And the other socket is to connect the headset to your cell phone. We also offer modules without volume control, just with the ANR switch. And this control unit is for that aircraft types that allows you to get the ANR power out of the aircraft. When I open the box, it shows that you do need two AA batteries. I recommend to use alkaline or rechargeable batteries. With the 26, the operating time is up to 60 hours. I should demonstrate how to use talk-through. You remember I talked about talk-through at the beginning, and you will find a switch right here, or a button. So if you press the button, the red indicator should show that talk-through is active now. How does it work? We have two additional microphones, one at this position of the cap, one on that side. And this microphones enables you to talk to the other pilot without moving the cap. When you're talking to ATC through the radio, and there is an acoustic burst. So to protect you against this burst, we integrated a feature, peak level protection, and this feature just cuts the burst out. So if there is a high peak in the communication, you can imagine it's a very high signal that comes up very soon. We just cut it out, and so this is an additional protection for your hearing. The next point is, what kind of accessories do we offer? We are offering a cable to attach your MP3 player to the headset, and a second cable with a smaller jack, just 2.5, to connect this headset to your cell phone. So we offer these hygiene pads. We offer the cushions with leatherette material, and if you like it more, it's also available with velour material. A lot of commercial pilots use this headset because it is so lightweight, so small. But we also know from a lot of GA pilots, they love it because it is small and it is so comfortable. If you compare this to your big circumaural headset with a high contact pressure, you can imagine that this one is a big improvement. So it is mainly designed for commercial pilots, but we also hear from a lot of GA pilots that they love it. Try it and figure out if it's good for you. You have a 30 days trial guarantee.